Alright guys, back with another really easy fix. This 2018 Toyota Prius check engine light came on and has an error message that says grille shutter inoperative. Visit your dealer. Do not, under any circumstances, take it to the dealer or spend any money until you check it out first. I'm at the front of the car and you can see there's something lodged inside the grille shutter, and that is what's stopping it from closing, giving me that error message. So grab a tool like this. You can use anything that's long and skinny enough to reach the obstruction. You see that big walnut looking thing right there? That is what is stopping the grille from closing. So I'm just going to take this tool and just pop it on out. And it's that easy. Let me try to get this out of there. This is what was stopping it from closing. Okay, start the car. Let's see what comes up on the screen. Maintenance required, visit your dealer. That's just the oil change reminder. That has nothing to do with the grille shutter. The grille shutter error message is gone now. However, the check engine light is still on. So maybe if I just drive the car around, put some more miles on it, the check engine light may come off by itself. Okay guys, the check engine light is gone. It did go off. I had to drive about 50 miles that day to make it go off, but the check engine light is off, the error message is gone. So you will have to drive your car around for a bit. For me, it was around 50 miles for the check engine light to go off. The error message that was right here went immediately off when I fixed it, but the check engine light did stay on. And so just keep that in mind. You might have to drive it around for a couple days or around 50 miles.